Welcome to TC-Config Studios. My name is Joseph, and I'll be your host for today. In this video, we will cover how to add the MSP TC-Config SaaS Platform to your Azure subscription. Before continuing, please make sure you already have an Azure subscription set up. Navigate to portal.azure.com and sign into your tenant. From the Azure home screen, then what we're going to do is we're going to click on Dashboard, and then we'll click on Marketplace. In the search bar, you're going to type in MSP space TC-config, and it'll pull up the MSP TC-config offer. For this demo today, I'll be using a private plan. Now, when you do the search and you find the MSP TC-config icon, you can just click on that. Now, under plans, I have several different choices. You will actually have a choice of Enterprise or the Policy Deployment Wizard. We're going to choose Enterprise. In my case, I'm choosing the Dev Enterprise. That way I don't get charged as I do these demos. And we're going to click on Subscribe. I already have a resource group created, so I'm going to choose that. But you can use Create New if you need to set up a new resource group. Under the SaaS Details name, I'm just going to put in I'll choose time. You can just do whatever you want, whatever makes sense for your environment. And then you can click on Next for tags. Now, I don't use any tags in my environment, but then you can click on Review and Subscribe. Then click on Subscribe. And it thinks for a few seconds. Really, it's about 40 seconds, I think. And then it comes out and allows us to continue. All right, so now we're going to click on Configure Your Account. Now this is going out, and this is what's actually onboarding the SaaS solution into your environment. Now we need to give admin consents. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our admin, and we're going to click Accept on those permissions. Now this happens to have two more consents that we need to do. So we're going to click on Continue Consent. And there again, we're going to click on our admin account. And then we're going to click on Accept. Now this last one is a two-part permission, so we're going to click on Continue Consent. Click on our admin account. And then we're going to click Next. Then we click Accept. Now this is going out and it's checking to make sure that those consents were registered correctly into your tenant, and that the permissions are set on the applications that are actually being installed in your tenant. Let's see, keeps going. Takes a few seconds, all right. And here happens to be the MSP dashboard. And on our next videos, we'll be going through all of this stuff, what that all means. Before we go today, though, let's go ahead and swap out over to our 365 tenant and take a look. So go ahead and switch back to your Entra tab, or your Azure tab. And then we're going to click on the hamburger menu. We're going to choose Microsoft Entra ID. Then we're going to click on Enterprise Applications. And when you click on the Enterprise Applications tab, now you'll see that we have three new TC-Config applications. We just went through the onboarding of the MSP TC-Config SaaS Platform. The next video in the MSP 100 series is how to add your MSP clients. I encourage you to watch the TC-Config Customer Portal Onboarding and the TC-Config Customer MSP Wizard videos. This will provide important context for the video of how to add your MSP clients. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.